How to fix Valorant Vanguard not initialized error 57. So, Valorant error 57 is restarting your computer and Riot client. So, a simple restart can resolve the temporary glitches, and it can ensure the Valorant and Riot client are fully closed before restarting. You can also want to reinstall the Riot Vanguard itself. So, by opening Add or Remove Programs, just simply locate Riot Vanguard and uninstall it, restart your computer, and launch the Valorant to reinstall. Then you want to check for conflicting softwares, so you can just temporarily disable any third-party programs, especially antivirus softwares that might be interfering with Vanguard. Then you might want to update your system drivers, so make sure all your graphic drivers are updated. And then you can run Valorant in compatibility mode. So try running Valorant in compatibility mode for Windows 7 or 8, and then you might want to check your VGC service. So open the services app, then check for the automatic if it's set, and then if it's start up and running. Then you want to delete the Vanguard folder. So if the error persists, just delete the Vanguard folder and then closing all to Task Manager. And then lastly is by submitting a ticket to Riot Support if none of the above works. And that's how you can fix Valorant Vanguard not initialized error 57.